Remove the glass retainer bar by undoing the screws on the right and the left. Using the sucker pad provided, remove the front glass. Remove the logs from the fuel bed. To remove the fuel bed, undo the screws on the left and the right, which keep it in place. Undo the small plastic clips, keeping the LED strip held in place. Release the LED connector by undoing the clips on each side. You might find it easier using a small screwdriver for this step. You can then insert your new LED strip. Make sure the 3 copper strips are in line with the 3 pins inside of the connector. Push down until you hear the connector click. Once completed, simply reverse steps 1 to 5.